Hola todo el mundo. En este video vamos a hablar de dos sonidos que van a ayudarte a hablar y sonar más como un nativo. ¿Estás lista, Isabel?
You sound a little bit weird, Philip, but yes, I'm ready.
So, the first sound that we're looking at is a diphthong, okay? And it's this sound. O, O, O.
Oh.
Y el segundo sonido es O, O, O,
Oh.
O.
Oh.
Entonces es como O, pero más largo. Entonces, vamos a ver unas palabras para practicar un poquito. We've got so and saw. Isabel?
So and saw.
Yeah. Okay. And boat and bought.
A ver otra vez.
Boat and bought.
Boat and bought.
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 Can you say, I bought a boat?
I bought a boat.
That's it. That sounds good. Okay. And another pair of words. Low and law.
Low. Low.
Mm-hmm.
And law.
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 Yeah. Muchos de mis estudiantes dicen lao,
Low.
but it's law. Okay, and then we have show and shore.
Show
And shore.
and sure. I'm pretty sure.
Shore.
Sure. It's very difficult. Philip, I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing show correctly.
Sounds pretty good, yes. Shore.
It's very difficult. Show, show, sure,
Shore.
sure,
Like door.
sure.
That's it. Shore.
You have to really open your mouth.
Or, yeah, the shape
Shore.
of the mouth. Or.
Oh.
And it's a long vowel sound, okay? And one more, moaning, que es como quejándose, ¿no?
Quejarse.
Quejarse.
Yeah, like it's the same as to complain.
Yeah.
To moan.
Yeah. Moaning. Stop moaning.
Moaning.
And morning.
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 Morning. Morning. Yeah.
Moaning.
Moaning.
And morning.
Morning. Es que, bueno, nosotros solemos pronunciar la R, ¿no? Como la R la pronunciamos tan marcada, ¿no? En español, solemos decir morning. Morning.
No.
Pero no es un...
Morning. Morning. Yeah.
No es ese sonido.
No.
Can you say buenos días?
Good morning. Morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
Morning.
And can you say, she's always moaning in the morning?
She's always moaning in the morning.
Yeah, moaning in the morning.
Morning in the morning. Morning in the morning. Morning in the morning. Yeah? They
Yeah.
sound very, very similar. It's so
Yeah.
difficult to spot the difference.
Yeah, and two more. Snow and snore.
Snow and
Yeah.
snore.
Snow, nieve, and snore.
This is what they are doing right now. Snoring.
We hope you're not snoring right now.
And if you are, wake up!
Wake up!
Back in the room. Y Philip, una pregunta. ¿Cómo dirías, cómo coses tan bien?
En inglés, dirías, how do you sew so well? Yeah, sew and sew se pronuncia igual, son homophones. ¿Y cómo dirías, Isabel, me duele la garganta?
I have a sore throat.
Yeah, a sore
Sore.
throat. ¿Y cómo dirías, vi que tenías una garganta inflamada? si abro tu boca, puedo verlo, ¿no?
I saw you had a sore throat.
Yes, I saw you had a sore throat.
Okay, so saw and sore.
Son
Yeah.
homófonos.
Pues suena diferente para mí.
So and so son exactamente igual.
Bueno, pues eso es todo por hoy. He aprendido mucho, Philip. Muchas gracias.
Wow.
Mi pronunciación es más inglesa ahora.
Has hecho fenomenal.
Muchas
Isabel.
gracias. Muy, muy útil.
Y si os gustan nuestros vídeos, por favor, déjanos un like y suscríbaos. Tú, Isabel, tienes que hablar así en español para siempre ahora, ¿vale?
Nos vemos muy pronto. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'm pronouncing. Sorry. Philip, we hope you're not. We hope. So now, can you tell me the difference between these 3 words here?
¿Cuáles son?
Ay, sorry. Es que ves. Ok, pues muchas gracias, Philip. Ay, espera. Eso es una buena idea.
Muy buena idea.
He hablado como un ruso. Dilo.
Tienes que practicar un poquito más, pero yo creo que vas a tener un acento perfecto. See you next week. Bye.